In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Jira issue on hold. Whether you're managing a large project or a small team, understanding how to effectively pause work on an issue can help keep your project organized and prioritize tasks efficiently. We'll walk through each step with explanations and best practices so you can easily manage the status of your Jira issues. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Jira workspace. For many of you, this might be a familiar step, but for those new to Jira, it's quite straightforward. You'll head over to the Your Work section in Jira. This is usually found in the upper navigation bar of your Jira dashboard. It's here where you can easily access all the projects you're involved in and view the tasks or issues assigned to you or that you're following. Once you're in the Your Work section, the next step is to select the specific project you're working on. Projects in Jira are typically organized by teams or product areas, so choose the one relevant to the issue you need to put on hold. Every project has its own dashboard where you can access all related issues, reports, and project settings. After selecting the project, your next action will be to click on the Issues tab. This might seem like a simple step, but it's crucial because it leads you to where all the tasks for your chosen project are listed. The Issues tab gives you a bird's eye view of everything that's happening in your project, from open tasks waiting to be tackled, those in progress, and ones that are done. Now this is where it gets more detailed. Within the Issues section, locate the specific issue you wish to put on hold. If your list is long, you can use the search function or filters to narrow it down. Once you've found the right issue, you need to click on its status. In most cases, the status will be something like open or in progress, indicating that the issue is active or being worked on. Up until this point, you've been navigating through Jira's project and issues management features. The final step to putting an issue on hold involves changing its status. You'll look for an option that says close issue or something similar. It might seem counterintuitive to click close issue when you're putting something on hold, but in Jira, closing an issue doesn't mean it's permanently done. Instead, it's moving the issue out of the active workflow, effectively putting it on pause. It's worth noting that depending on how your organization's Jira is set up, you might have the option to specifically mark an issue as on hold rather than closing it. This terminology and the options available can vary, so it's good to be familiar with your specific Jira configuration. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to manage your Jira tasks more effectively by putting issues on hold when needed. But before we wrap up, I want to share a few tips that can make managing Jira issues even easier. Firstly, always make sure you add a comment or note when changing the status of an issue, especially when putting it on hold. This helps maintain clear communication with your team and provides context for why the issue was paused. Secondly, regularly review issues that are on hold. Sometimes tasks can be forgotten if they are out of the active workflow for too long. Setting reminders or scheduling regular project reviews can help ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Lastly, remember that the way you navigate and use Jira might be slightly different depending on your organization's custom settings. Always take some time to explore and understand the specific configurations and options available in your Jira workspace. By following these steps and tips, you'll be better equipped to manage your workload in Jira, ensuring that you can effectively prioritize tasks and keep your project on track. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.